channel. If you're new here, welcome, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And if you're an OD, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, guys. So as you can see, we are going to be doing a series with the Zeelool glasses, looks inspired by that, and that's what I did here. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just continue to watch the video. All right, guys, so as you can see by the thumbnail, we are doing looks inspired by some of my glasses from Zeelool, and this will be a series. So for the first look, I lined up my glasses 1 through 6, and I put the numbers in a Zeelool bag, and I picked them up out of the hat. And the first one I picked was number 5, and number 5 are these pairs of glasses right here. So what we're going to do in this video is create a look using these glasses. So let's get started. All right, guys, so as you can see off camera, I did my brows, I concealed, set, and prepped my lids for the eyeshadow base. And this is different than my normal routine because I applied some white eyeshadow base to my lid because if you see my previous, well, not my video, but if you know anything about eyeshadow palettes, although a color may appear a certain look on your on a palette, depending on when you put it on your lid, it may turn out a slight different, if not lighter, maybe darker on you. So I wanted to apply the white eyeshadow base just to assure that the color turns out the way it appears on the palette. So that is why you see the white eyeshadow base here on my eye. So let's go ahead and start this eyeshadow look. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Warrior 2 by the Juvia's Place, and I'm going to go in with the shade Yoded, and I'm going to use that as my beginner transition color. Next, we're going to go in with the Lorac Unzipped palette, and we're going to go in with Unconditional, and we're going to use that as the primary color for the inner lid. This brush doesn't have a name, sorry, I got it from the hair store, but this brush is a flat angle brush. As you can see here, these are good brushes to use when you are applying a product in a certain area, when you're wanting to use more of the blotting technique and not really worry about the color transition or going anywhere. This is for a more direct application when you're trying to apply an eyeshadow. I want to go ahead and put my concealer on my under eye because I want to go ahead and try to finish my eyes. So I wanted to go ahead and prime my lid because, I mean, not prime my lid, but prime my face because I am going to do my bottom lash and I'm going to apply the concealer. So might as well do it. Fenty. This Fenty foundation. It's in the shade 330, and that's my normal color, but it just looks a little bit, it's a little bit too beige for a foundation. So we're gonna use this as I'm just gonna set my bottom lash, well, you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this part of my eye, and then let's get it going. I'm gonna go ahead and use my setting spray to set my sponge. Y'all, did y'all see that thing? It barely got my eye. I'm using the e.l.f. matte, Majestic Matte. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in on top with my 30 concealer by Maybelline, and I'm going to now really conceal my brow under my lids. Okay, so I'm about to, I thought I was gonna do my eyes, but I really don't want to put the powder on my face. I'm in a weird position, guys. Let me come back once I finish my face, so then we can do these bottom lashes. All right, y'all, this is how we looking. I don't really like it, but let's put some hair on and let's get dressed a little bit and throw the glasses on, and let's see how the final look comes together, because right now this is how I look. I feel all right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of stuff got cut off, y'all, because this was a little challenge and I'm enjoying it, but I was just like, what? Hold up, wait a minute. I don't know how I'm gonna make this look go well. So let me show you guys how it turned out, because I feel like you can't really see with this hair and these glasses, but the color that matches the shades is really important. And then you can't really see the inner or the outer of the lids, but this is how it looks. I like it. It's cute. It's giving what it needs to give to match the shades. But if you like this video and ready to see some more, I'm sorry, y'all, it's so like choppy. I was trying to record it, but at the same time I was facing some challenges with the look and the colors of the lid, and so I was kind of like so focused in it that I forgot to like really turn the camera for that part. So I apologize about that not being filmed, but I hope you guys stay tuned for the next, because we have 6. So this was only 1 out of 6. So please stay tuned for the next look. I'll try to do better with filming that and showing more that but for the most part, I think I kind of played it safe here, to be honest. So I'm gonna definitely step out the box a little bit more. The whole purpose of this is to embark on a challenge and do more. Like the lip is something different too. So like this whole look is something different and I'm enjoying it. So I hope you guys enjoy it as well. But if you like this video and made it this far, guys, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.